Up everyone, Mike Hamill here. I know it's been a minute since I posted something and I had some time to kill today, so I figured I would post up this song I've been playing the hell out of lately. So I hope you guys dig it. I'm trying to do this little loop station thing here, so we'll see if it works out. See if you know it. All I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater, we'll have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity centered. Touch my neck and I'll touch yours. You in those little high-waisted shorts. She knows what I think about it, and what I think about is one love, one house, one love, two mouths. No shirt, no blouse, nothing to find out, nothing that I wouldn't want to tell you about, no. Cause it's too low for you here and now, so let me both your hands in the holes of my sweater. And if I may just take your breath away, I don't mind if there's not much to say. Sometimes the silence guides the mind, so move to a place so far away. The goosebumps start to raise the minute that my left hand meets your waist. And then I watch your face, put my finger on your tongue cause you love the taste. And these hearts adore everyone the other beats hardest for. Inside this place is warm, outside it starts to pour. Coming down, one love, two mouths, one love, one house. No shirt, no blouse, just us, you find out. Nothing that I wouldn't want to tell you about, no, no, no. Cause it's too cold for you here and now, so let me both your hands in the holes of my sweater. Cold for you here and now, so let me both your hands in the holes of my sweater. BrockMusic.com. Stay tuned. New album, new songs, new everything. Brock.